Hallo zusammen! In this video we're going to talk about possessive pronouns, mein, dein, sein, ihr, etc. in the accusative case with the direct object or with certain prepositions. So, you need to remember who's doing the owning and what they're owning. And in this video I don't have adjectives. They behave the same way that they do with indefinite articles, so review that video to learn how to use adjectives with these. Okay, so he is attending his literature course. We know that this is accusative because what is he attending? The literature course. If something answers the what, it's the direct object. So, belegt sein is the base, if you'll remember that from learning it in the nominative. And then we have Literaturkurs, which is masculine, so we need an ending that says this is masculine in the accusative. So we're going to put an en. Belegt seinen Literaturkurs. And that en is like den, ends with an N. Next we have, ich will meine Professorin in ihrem Büro treffen. Ich will, mine is the base, like I just said, and it's going to be because Professorin is feminine. I want to meet my professor in her office. Who am I meeting? The professor. Next we have, she needs to check her calendar, her planner, etc. So it's going to be sie muss, ihr is the base, and Terminkalender is masculine, so we're going to add an en. Sie muss ihren Terminkalender checken. Then we have, y'all can't write without a writing utensil. So, ihr könnt nicht ohne, euer is going to be the base. But since we have an ending, we're going to drop that second E. And the ending is going to be an A, because Stifte is plural. Ihr könnt nicht ohne eure Stifte schreiben. Okay? So, I'll erase these, and we'll go on to the next pronouns. So, here we have, you don't do your homework? I hope you do. It's very important. Okay, so, du machst, and we know it's du because of this st, and the base is going to be dein, and since Hausaufgaben is plural, we're going to put in E. Du machst deine Hausaufgaben nicht. Hausaufgaben means homework in general. If I said Hausaufgabe, I would be talking about a specific homework assignment. Usually, when you're talking just in general, Hausaufgabe is going to be plural. Hausaufgaben. Then we have, you have your bike with you. So, Sie haben, ihr is the base, and remember this is always capitalized, ihr, and the ending is going to be nothing, because Fahrrad is Neutrum, das Fahrrad. Sie haben ihr Fahrrad dabei. Okay, then we have wir brauchen ein Sofa für, and then here we have Wohnung. We need a sofa for our apartment. See, this apartment is very empty. So, wir brauchen ein Sofa für unser is the base. And the ending, oh, you can't see that. We'll put it here. Unsere Wohnung. The A indicates that Wohnung is feminine. Wohnen ends in ung, so it's feminine. And then finally we have the kids make their beds. Die Kinder machen ihre Betten. It's ihr because their, ihr is the base, a indicates plural. Now, you'll notice that the base never changes. It's always the same in every case. The only thing that's going to change is whatever the ending is. Luckily for us, in accusative, the only one that changes compared to nominative is masculine. So there's not too much to remember. Alright, so hopefully you've gotten your practice with those. I'm going to erase these, and as usual, I'm going to give you a chance to work on a couple on your own. So, take a minute to pause the video, look at who's over here and what they're owning over there, and fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronouns. Okay, you had a second to do that, and now I have the answers for you. Du hast dein Buch dabei. Dein is the base, no ending because it's das Buch. Okay? Sie brauchen ihre smartphones. Ihr is the base for their. They need their smartphones. And is the ending because smartphones is plural. Then we have hat seine Armbanduhr dabei. Sein is the base with and you add an a because Armbanduhr is feminine. He has his watch with him. And finally, I forget everything without my calendar. Ich vergesse alles ohne meinen Terminkalender. Now, it's mine because that's the base with ich, and an because that is the masculine ending. And you might be wondering why it's accusative in this case, because the sentence is a little bit different. It's because of ohne. Ohne is an accusative preposition. So that was my video on possessive pronouns in the accusative case. Go ahead and check out my other videos on accusative if you'd like.